Bird? Really? You're really carrying this again? I'm done with this, Mexican Bird. I'm gonna go. Well, wait, why? Don't leave, Troy, please. I'm sorry, Mexican Bird. I'm just tired of you. Goodbye. You know, I wish I could fly. Well, I'm a bird. I'm gonna test it out. I'll be very loud. I'm gonna fly now. Yeah. Oh, I'm scared. Don't be scared, Mexican Bird. Here we gosh! Ow. I'm cold. I can't fly. What about I jump back there? Let's do it. Make it. Make it. Oh, damn it. I'm gonna try again. I can do it. Wait, who's that? I'm your conscience. Oh yeah, okay. Yo, Mexican Bird. Damn it. Getting messy. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. Damn it. I'm gonna make it. I finally did it. I made it. Here we go. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna fly again. I'll do it 3 more times and I'll win. I'll try that again. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna do it. I'm going to finally do it. Mexican Bird is a bet, and he'll fly. Hola, muchachos. We son there. Ow. 1, 1, 2, 3. Taco. Ow. No. One more time. One more time. One more time. One more time. The last try. I'm praying to the Lord at this point. Please, God, help me to fly. Here we go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. What? I'm actually flying. I'm flying. I'm flying. Mom, are you proud of me? Oh wait, you're not here. Dad, are you proud of me? Oh, you're also not here. Tacos, are you proud of me? I finally did it. Yeah. Yeah. Oh God. Oh God. I'm still alive. That's it. I am done with flying. I'm done. I want to do it again. I'm gonna make it. Dang it. You know what? I'm done. Muchachos, I'm sorry, fans. I could not fly. I know I call bird. You know what? Maybe I'm not the bird that fly. I'm the bird who's Mexican and who eats tacos every single hour and minute and seconds. Well, not married because I'm making a video. Well, whatever. Well, at least I tried. At least I tried my best. I'm sorry for changing my voice, but still. We'll see it's in the kitchen. Absolutely nothing. You know, I wish I had more friends. Right, buddy? He's dead.